The earbud market is flooded, but the Sanag Z60S stands out, not just for its quirky open-ear clip design, but for bold claims on comfort and battery. The kicker? They're around $24.9 on AliExpress. For less than a takeout meal, Sanag promises a lot. So how good are they and where are the compromises? The Sanag Z60S charging case gives a decent first impression with its textured matte finish, resisting fingerprints well. It feels solid, not flimsy, balancing portability. You get a USB-C port and an LED indicator. Inside, earbuds snap magnetically. The earbuds themselves are distinct, a clip-on, U-shaped open-ear style, hooking around your ear, speaker resting just outside the canal. The ear contact part is soft silicone, TPU, key for comfort. They're incredibly lightweight. The main body is plastic, with a 5-point fit for security. You'll find charging contacts, a status LED, and a mic port. For durability, they're IPX4 rated for sweat and light rain resistance. The connecting arm is flexible for fit adjustment. For this price, the build feels competent. Putting the Sanag Z60S on, their lightness, 4 to 5 grams per bud, is immediately striking. You genuinely almost forget they're there. A huge plus for extended wear. Stability-wise, they hold well. Jogs and jumping jacks didn't dislodge them thanks to the secure 5-point fit. They're solid for workouts. The only trade-off, no noise isolation, so you'll hear your surroundings. Pairing the Sanag Z60S is a breeze with Bluetooth 5.4 and Sanag's FlashLink 7.0 tech. They connect almost instantly. Streaming is lag-free. The Sanag app offers useful features, precise battery levels, EQ presets, and a Find My Earbuds function. It emits a sound if nearby. The app also hints at advanced AI tools, but these seemed less developed. For around $25, the Sanag Z60S sound genuinely punches above its weight. The 12mm drivers deliver surprisingly well-balanced audio. Bass is present and warm, not overpowering or muddy given the open ear design. Mids are clear. Vocals in music and podcasts are articulate. Highs are present with reasonable detail, though audiophiles might find them restrained. For most, they're fine. They handle higher volumes well, without much distortion. The app's EQ presets, rock, pop, and gaming, offer some tailoring. Overall, impressively good sound for this price. Taking calls with the Sanag Z60S is surprisingly good. AI call noise cancellation and wind-resistant mics make a noticeable difference. In quiet environments, my voice was clear. In challenging scenarios, like a balcony with traffic, some wind, AI noise cancellation filtered background racket well. They're not miracle workers in strong winds or very loud environments, but handle everyday noise capably. Battery life is a standout. Sanag claims around 7 hours playback per charge, which is accurate. The charging case, 400 mAh, boosts total playtime to around 50 hours, almost a week for many. This longevity is rare in budget earbuds. The case charges via USB-C. Fast charging gives around 1 hour playback from a 10-minute charge. A full earbud charge in the case takes around 1.5 hours. Impressive battery performance for the price. So, are the Sanag Z60S worth $25.9? A resounding yes with caveats. They nail comfort, epic battery life, and surprisingly good sound for the price. Connectivity is solid. Call quality, respectable. They won't replace high-end ANC models. The open design means no noise isolation. Touch controls can be finicky. Advanced AI app feels underdeveloped.